Okay, time to take a look at the VEVOR mechanics seat. We got our instructions, we got our cushion, base, casters, hardware, and brackets. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is put on the casters. We're going to drop this guy in from the top, and then the caster is going to come in from the bottom. So from the bottom, we're going to put in these bolts, and a washer, lock washer, and the acorn nut. So then the last part is the cushion. So I'm going to use the last two bolts. And it looks like on the bottom of the cushion they didn't cut out the spot for the bolts. Okay, so the threads are there, it's just a matter of they covered it up. A little odd, but these things can't happen. Okay. So, that is that. Pretty cool. Really like how that thing rolls. Nice and smooth. I like having this little tray right here, so as you're taking parts off, you actually got a spot to put it. And yeah, looks pretty solid. So that is a nice mechanic seat.